Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to find expert settings for broadcasting. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter broadcasting. Go to expert settings and now you can manually scan for channels, enable fine-tune function. You can transfer channel list, delete CAM operator file, manage satellite system. For example, you can select satellite for signal reception, enable or disable LNB power, manage LNB settings. Then you can manage SAT-CR unicable settings, positioner settings, or you can reset all those settings. Next, you can manage teletext language settings, enter HBB TV settings. You can select between HBB TV, do not track, private browsing, or delete browsing data. Next, you can go to audio settings and TV key interface.